Let me see. Oh yeah, this one just standing. More lemons, more lemons, more lemons. More lemons. Oh, I got me some bananas. Okay, let me open up the bag. Okay. More lemons, more lemons. Lady, oh no, they waste time. See how I cut up. Okay. These lemons are very fresh. Very fresh lemon. This banana will sit here with the lemon. So you may want to share. Share the space. Share the space. So let me preserve these bags. I will use them in my pantry. Okay, in my pantry. All right. Oh, you done the video? Hey, so all this time, I don't know. So you done the video? Now for you, you don't even waste time. Hello guys, welcome to Lady O's Kitchen. Today we are going to turn all this, not all, we are going to turn some of these lemons into lemonade. Lady O's way. So I don't know how you do your own. I don't know how you turn your lemon into lemonade. So let me bring my apparatus. Bring out my stuff. Yeah. I have this. Woo, I just love this set. This is lemonade time. I also have this. Okay, I will need silver. Where is that my silver? Where is that my silver? Alright, so guys, let's be washing some of the containers that we are going to use for the lemonade. You guys know that in this kitchen, washing and cleaning, it's very vital. Very, very vital. Alright, let me select my lemons. These lemons are very fresh. Fresh. Also washed. Guys, let me know how you turn your lemons into lemonade in the comment section. This is Lady O's way, 100% lemonade. Now the foam is still young, no one come out. The soap was too much. But I beg. Don't waste my time. I don't like wasting time. Alright. I love this lemon glasses and the plates. This is what I want. Let's take off the head. These lemons are big. Big. I will drop it here. Because there's also, you guys know that nothing is wasted in this kitchen. No, Lady O doesn't waste. She doesn't believe in wasting anything. So we are not throwing this away. That's why I have that jug there. That's my drinking water also. Good, good, good. Guys, you can prepare as many as you desire. As always, nothing is measured in this kitchen. Just prepare as many as you need. It's too close to my watermelon. I bet. Let me move some things. Whoa, yep. This one is too big. This one is too big. You can't fit in here. I better give space to others that are ready. That is too big. You see. %100% lemonade, no additive. Is it additive or additives? English no be my mother tongue, go. I'm just trying. Some of them are too big. Okay. Let me try this one again. Fit in there. Okay, this is 100% lemonade from Lady O's kitchen. See, trying to tidy up. So when I'm done, I'll clean up. Final cleanup. All right, so I'll grab my cold water from my fridge. You guys know that the weather has been so hot, muggy these days. So what you need to chill down, as I do, is I prepare my own lemonade from the scratch. Then I will drain it. Okay, this can give me 2 glasses of lemonade from the scratch. 100% lemonade, no additive. Good. Then I'll pour in my cold water. All right, so we are not forgetting about this. Now my lemonades are ready. I have 2 glasses of lemonade, 100%. Then what I'll do with this one is I'll add my cold water. Cover it up with cold water. Excuse me, I need some water from the fridge. Yeah. need more water. All right. And then I will leave it in the fridge, and this will be my drinking water because the lemonade is still coming out and getting into the water. I'll leave it there in the fridge, so whenever I want to drink my water, that is my drinking water. And so, hey God, let me just tidy up this place a little bit. Tidy up this place a little bit. This water is remaining in my fridge. So guys, this is my lemonade. I'm going to use it to just cool down because the weather has been so hot and muggy these days. How do you prepare your own lemonade? You see how we can turn lemon into lemonade? Thank you guys. Watch, subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.